This Weichert Realtors, the Spiesman Group, property video is presented by Andy Caiello. Kingston Classic in very nice condition is the best way to describe this house. Windows, roof, kitchen, flooring and paint all recently refreshed. Kitchen backsplash is ready for your personal touch. Gleaming wood floors throughout the first level along with one of the full baths. Head upstairs to find 3 nice-sized bedrooms and den/office along the second full bath. Don't forget to check out the finished rooms in the walk-up attic. Back downstairs off the kitchen is an amble-sized deck perfect for hanging out and BBQing. Sit out front on the rocking chair porch and enjoy the sights and sounds of the neighborhood. Situated between Kingston's uptown Stockade district and Town of Ulster shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Andy Caiello at 845-336-2633.